Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm White. Today we're going to make some chili using this Carroll Shelby Texas chili kit. We'll show you what all's in it and how to use it, and we'll sample it and see how good it is. Let's see what all is in this kit, okay? I'll get it out of here. That it? Yep. There's the chili mix. There's the powder flour in case you need to thicken it up some. You can use that. And there's the spicy sauce. So be careful. This will really get hot quick, okay? It says here, brown the ground beef in a large skillet, drain the fat. Add tomato sauce, water, spice if you want it, tame if you don't want it. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes for thicker chili. Mix masa flour with 1/3 cup of water, stir in, and let simmer for 5 more minutes. Let's go start cooking this, okay? Now we're only going to make half of this because it asks for 2 pounds of ground beef. I just don't think I can eat 2 pounds of chili. So let's turn this on. Right there on high, get it going. We'll cut it in half. There we go. Maybe just a little bit more. Can't ever get too much beef, can you? All right. It's beginning to get hot, so just want to stir this up, get it good and brown so it's cooked. If you think we need it on high, we'll turn it down just a little bit. We don't want to burn it, that's for sure. Turn it over. Get it good and brown. See, it's getting brown. Now remember, you got to drain the grease out of here, so you need somewhere to put that. I don't like pouring it down the sink. That can stop up the drain. We're getting close. Think we about got it. Okay. Now remember, we're only cooking half this order, so it says half of the can, so that'd be 4 ounces. About half the can right there. Okay. 16 ounces of water, so we're going to add 8. And it says cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Let's stir it up here. Think we got it mixed up pretty good here. I got a lid here, but it's not a real big one. So we'll put it on right here and simmer best we can for 15 minutes. You know, while that's simmering, I'm going to add some onions to it. There we go. Let's mix those onions up in there. I'm a big onion fan, so. All right, let that simmer. 15 minutes. This is where you would add the spice if you want it spicy. I'm not a spicy fan. I'm not going to add that. Well, I think we're done. Look at that. Boy, does that look good or what? Woo-wee. Does look good. Let's turn off the stove. We don't want to burn it. It's good and thick. Thicker than I had expected. I didn't have to add that flour to it, so. We'll move it over here off the stove, okay? I think I'll get me a bowl here. Put some in it. Woo, does that look good or what? Got the onions in it. Here we are. We got it cooked. Look at that. Woo, it's good and dark. Now, I didn't put the spicy stuff in there. It is hot. Woo. Hmm. Yeah, it's pretty good, I have to say. You know what, though? We need cheese on it. Let's drop a little grated up cheese in here. Chili has to have cheese and no beans. I don't put beans in my chili. A lot of people do. I don't. Yeah, it's pretty good. Probably not as good as your homemade chili would be, but then I don't have a good recipe right now for homemade chili. Look at that. See the cheese on top of that? Look at that. Woo! May have to eat this for supper. There's an onion in that one. Remember, I added some onion to it. Need my drink. Y'all can probably guess what I'm drinking there. Yep, it's made in Texas too. Dr. Pepper. It's hot. Carroll Shelby, Texas style chili. Yep. I had a friend that lived not too far from Carroll Shelby back in the early 60s when he invented that Cobra. We got to see the early one. Probably should have used a little bit more water or something in it. A little bit of a powdery taste, but Hey, chili's chili. It's good. Have y'all tried this? Y'all go check it out. If there's another brand chili you'd rather try, leave me a comment. I'll try it too. Okay? Look at that. Woo-hoo. See it? Dark black chili too. It is good. It's hot too. I didn't put the spice in it, so I know what that would have done. Woo! I'm not a spicy person, so at least not a spicy food eater. Okay, I think we're going to say you need to try this. I think it's pretty good. Let me know if you would have added or subtracted something from it, how you would have customized it a little bit. Go check out my playlist, Cooking. I got a lot of other stuff up there too. A lot of different appliances and things you can cook with, okay? Leave me a comment. Tell me where you're watching from. I mean, like city, state. You're not in the U.S., city, country. And leave me a comment. Tell me if there's one you'd rather see me try, or if you've had this, did you like it? If I was going to grade this, give it a rating, scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being 5 being, yeah, buddy, I could give this 3.5, 3 3/4. I think it's pretty good. One more bite. Okay, y'all leave me a comment. Tell me what you think, what you want to see me try, where you're watching from. Just say howdy, Merry Christmas, whatever, okay? So go check it out, all right? Next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.